So there are lots of discussion happening in sport and Tahir bhai, just how are you doing?
मैं गुड आकिब, गॉड इज टू काइंड, व्हाट अबाउट यू?
I'm doing well, alhamdulillah. Tahir,
ये हमारे फैंस हमारे आसपास हैं, नाज़रीन
कुछ और
देख
कहना
रहे हैं।
चाहेंगे फिर हम अगर
बड़ी
कहना
दूर से वेव करने आए हैं।
पाकिस्तान अहमदाबाद
क्रिकेट के लिए एक आवाज लगा दी, क्रिकेट।
ड्यूल कैमरे पे
देखिए नाज़रीन, ये फैंस हमारे आ रहे हैं आसपास, ये आपको लाइक करते हैं, हमारे चैनल को देखते हैं। क्रिकेट के लिए कुछ आप कहना चाहें? यूट्यूब चैनल
कुछ आप कहना चाहें, क्रिकेट लवर है अपने से
जी जी बिल्कुल है।
इनको सपोर्ट करें, सब्सक्राइब करें
और
लाइक करें, बेल का बटन दबाएं।
थैंक यू।
बिल्कुल। और नाज़रीन, ये फैंस ही हैं, देखें चलते फिरते आ जाते हैं बीच में, यही हमारी मोटिवेशन है और आपके लिए भी मोटिवेशन है कि आपको यानी कि इतनी दूर से देखने आ रहे हैं। ठीक है, हाँ बड़े। ये देखें नाज़रीन, ये फैंस ने
दोनों हो गए
इसको
दोनों हो गए
करें, कहाँ गया?
दोनों हो गए बाबू, दोनों के नोटिफिकेशन
इसको भी कर
कर दिए।
देखिए नाज़रीन, फैंस आपको ये फैंस आ रहे हैं बीच में और लाइव सब्सक्राइब कर रहे हैं, बल्कि अक्सर इनबॉक्स भी आ रहे होते हैं।
मैंने एक डेडिकेट
जी जी, ये फैंस स्पोर्ट्स चेस के लिए गाना डेडिकेट करना चाह रही है, बड़ी अचीवमेंट। ये हाजिर नसीबो लाल की आवाज में आपसे पीएसएल का सीजन आ रहा है, बड़ा इन्होंने सॉन्ग भी गाया था।
जान काटने सीजन 2 आया।
ये जान जान कह के जान, ये वही गाना है ना? नाज़रीन ये देखें, बंडल ऑफ थैंक, बंडल ऑफ
थैंक यू ब्रदर।
सपोर्ट करना है यार।
ये देखिए फैंस को लाइव मैसेजेस, यही आपकी मोटिवेशन। देखिए नाज़रीन, ये हमारे लाइव फैंस ड्यूरिंग द वीडियो आए हैं। क्रिकेट के लिए कोई पैगाम आप देना चाहें तो? क्रिकेट स्पोर्ट्स जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद। और नाज़रीन, ये हमारी मोटिवेशन है, बंडल ऑफ थैंक्स, ये आज अपलोड करेंगे आपको। बंडल ऑफ थैंक्स, बंडल ऑफ थैंक्स।
लव यू ऑल,
लव यू टू, ओवरऑल हो गया।
लव यू ऑल।
देखे फैंस, बंडल ऑफ थैंक्स। और देखे नाज़रीन, एक और हमारे विजिटिंग फैंस आ रहे हैं और ये हमारी ये बड़ी अचीवमेंट है, बंडल ऑफ थैंक्स।
Brilliant. And what do you say, Tahir bhai? You were giving a suggestion to PCB that they should subsidize the tickets for the Champions Trophy. How do you see? Because we know that tickets for ICC events are very, very expensive and costly.
Yes, Akib, in the last video, I pointed this issue out, and now I will reiterate this issue that this country is going through a great turmoil nowadays because there are a lot of challenges faced by a common public, which includes poverty, unemployment, lawlessness, and there are a lot of issues. So if such big tournament is coming in our Pakistan, then it is liability of PCB and our government to may add full color in this tournament, and which can only be possible that if they will reduce the or minimize the prices of the ticket.
Yes,
No
sir.
doubt PCB has invested a lot in the stadium, but it doesn't mean that they should recover this amount.
Squeeze this from the poor
and they should
public.
recover this amount from the fans. I think what can PCB or government should do over here is they should give subsidy.
Yes.
Give subsidy to this poor nation, poor fans. I will reiterate poor fans because Akib, nowadays everyone is facing lot of issue to fulfill the hunger of their family. But
Agree.
Akib, look, how will they manage to buy the ticket, a minimum ticket, when there is 1,000 rupees and total household income of a person is 18,000
And
to
they're
20,000.
going till 20,000, I think.
Yeah, and after 1,000 he will have to pay the amount of fare to reach the stadium as well. You could also have to spend 500 to 600 for eating as well. So this ticket will be
Very
cost
costly.
to 3,000 almost for one fare. So Akib, if he would like to come with family, then I think
That's
it will
12,000,
12 to
15,000
15,000. So his whole household income went through this one match. I'm not talking about bulk of match, so for single match.
Oh
So Akib, I think it's the best time for PCB to revisit the prices and also give subsidy to the fans, so maximum fan can be engaged in the stadium.
And Tahir bhai, are you excited to watch this brand new Gaddafi Stadium? Because you've seen the previous one, and are you hopeful that we are hearing that the viewing experience of fans will become better after this construction phase?
Yes, Akib, it will be a bit better because Akib, they have put off the stands and
Arches.
other barricades which were in front of the views. So I think
Same in
they have
Karachi and
what
same
they
in
have
Lahore.
done is they have made a trench. And they will place some sort of barricades, but this will be of minimum size, so they will not affect the view of the fans. I think Akib, they have tried their level best, and I think it should be it should act like that. It should give the good view to the fans. Otherwise, this huge investment just will be the wastage of time, amount, and money of the fans, and otherwise it will have no impact for the betterment of the view.
And Tarbe, one good news also is that your favorite player, Fauzi Fakhar Zaman, last night scored a half century for his domestic team, Desert Vipers. He was playing in the National T20 League, even though it is a T20 match. But will this put pressure on selectors to bring him back in the one-day squad for Champions Trophy, because he's getting runs in domestic cricket?
The simple thing I would like to say that no matter Fakhar perform 50, 100, 400 or even break the record of Brian Lara, the thing will be settled down after Fakhar will resolve his dispute with the PCB. I will repeat, Fakhar should resolve his disputes with PCB. Otherwise, his performances and long runs won't be able to make his comeback in the team.
And you're hopeful that things are settling down,
Yes,
because his
Akib-
name is coming in the
Yes,
preliminary
Akib, things
squad.
are under the table settling down, and lot of other players are also putting their effort best to bring Fakhar back. And even the injury of Saim Ayub, I think,
Will open his doors.
opening the door for the Fakhar. Otherwise, it was very difficult for Fakhar to make his way in the playing 11 in any sort of tournament.
Lastly, Taiba, as we're talking about Saim Ayub, how do you see the first day's play between Pakistan and West Indies, as Rizwan and Saud Shakil have saved Pakistan from a crisis situation of 46 for 4? Only 3 hours of play was possible today.
Yeah, Akib, I think it was due to bad light, and Akib, I think the environment of Multan and Lahore is a bit different. I have spent good 5-6 years in Multan, and Akib, I think I have seen lot of heat in Multan during summer season, and also when
Cold.
winter comes, lot of cold also we have observed in the Multan. So I think Akib, that's the issue. Multan is facing the bad light, and 140 for 4, it was just a nothing today's match. But I think West Indies have managed to
put
the pressure that restricting the Pakistan up to very low total. So I think Akib, still 4 days are left, and I think this will cost a very good fighting match between West Indies and Pakistan in the coming days.
But Taiba, what strategy should Pakistan adopt? What score, seeing this wicket is turning and Pakistan are playing 3 spinners, what should be a good competitive total on this pitch? I think 300, roughly close to 300.
Yes, Akib, close to 300. Above 300 will be a treat to watch. But around 300, 290, even 280 will be a good fighting total for Pakistan.
Because we have
as well.
3 spinners.
Three spinners, and even Pakistanis have faced the struggle in the while batting on this pitch. And definitely, if we are coming with the proper strategy of bowling, then our spinner will be outclassed.
And Tahir bhai, there was remarks which are coming from Shahzad, and they're circulating a lot on the social media, is that we were hearing that his name was being taken in the PSL, and he recently claimed in his video that the name of mine taken in PSL was just for creating hype. I don't want to play for PSL, and I've announced my retirement from PSL just because he was not selected in the last edition. How do you see this, Tahir bhai?
Okay, it is a totally matter of frustration, which is keenly seen in Ahmed Shahzad case, and my empathies and sympathies are both with Ahmed Shahzad. Okay, he waited long. But when you waited along and your sentiments are not properly recognized, and your services and your game temperament is not properly recognized, then it turned into frustration. So this thing, I think, happened with the Ahmed Shahzad. That's why he just managed to give in such statement that he has given the retirement from the PSL just based on the pure his frustration. So I think PCB should be careful in the upcoming future that such sort of talent should not be wasted, and they should make a mechanism for the retention of these players, so for the retention of the meritocracy, for the retention of the great brains in the cricket. So I think so in upcoming days, not such sort of issues could be seen.
And Tahir bhai, there was another case, a similar case, which happened with another player who was a fast bowler from Multan Sultan by the name of Hasanullah. He had faced an injury, he couldn't play this year, was not selected. He recently, because he's a fast bowler, he's from Swabi, he got aggressive and he said that don't want to play in Pakistan. I'm announcing my retirement from PSL. I'm going to England. And the next day, he apologized that all of my statements were in anger. Tahir bhai, how do you see? Why are players not able to control their feelings
Akib, I already mentioned that combination of energy is synergy. So same is the case over here. Combination of the temperament becomes a negative synergy. That's why players used to give such statement. And I repeat again that PCB should be aware of such sentiments of the player, that if a player is ignored just because of no reason, there should be proper mechanism to reconsider that player in the squad. So such players should not be affected, and their services might not be disappear in upcoming future in the great tournament like PSL.
But don't you think players should learn from players like Fawad Alam that you can quietly play domestic cricket, perform well, and then definitely you can make your place in the PSL side and then in the national team? Why do players take the use of media, and then even the media people want to create hype and they charge them more?
Yes, Akib, I totally agree, but not totally, partially agree with you, because Akib, the hype of media is very necessary nowadays. Akib, look, Fawad Alam took 10 years, good 10 years. Akib, it took him decade to come back in team. So Akib, look how much loss we have occurred in the 10 years. So I think if media should have given hype him before that time, so he could be in the side prior to the wastage of his good 10 years. So I think hype of media is actually partially necessary as well to make the voice of the players. So same thing we are doing, Akib, promoting the raw talent and young talent, that they should be given the proper ample chances. So I think in this case, media should give proper voice, not they should do the yellow journalism that the players are intentionally being ignored by the PCB or the team. So I think Akib, Ehsanullah is also a short-tempered guy, because Pathan,
He faced injury. He's angry that they did not support him.
Yeah, Akib, that's a terrible reason. That once you face injury and immediately you are sacked of the team, and none of the team, even your own parent team, is not recognizing your past services. So this thing I think happened with Ehsanullah, that he said that because of minor injury and now I am fully fit, and still I am not being praised by my past performances. That's why Akib, he took this harsh decision with the bulky heart. I think it will be not easy for Ehsanullah to make such decision, but with the bulky heart as well.
And thirdly, the good news is that Ali Tareen Saab, Multan Sultan's owner, took notice of this, because Ehsanullah used to play for the camp, and he said that you can come and play for my department team and we will try to get you fit and make your comeback through proper pathway. So how do you see this, Tahir bhai, that the owners of Multan Sultan have taken the right call after facing criticism?
Akib Ali Tareen, definitely,
He's a visionary man.
He's a very visionary guy, not a person. He's a visionary guy. He's a young man, and
Passionate cricket lover.
Passionate cricket lover. That's why in a very young age, he has been given the responsibility by his father of Multan Sultan. Even the great player like Shahid Afridi has been played, and Shoaib Malik has been played in this team.
Now
Rizwan is commanding this team. So I think Ali Tareen has won many hearts, that he took the action of this injustice with the player, that why such players are being ignored, that after the injury they are just fully recovered.
And speaking on media also.
Speaking on media as well, and I think on the other hand, he's just apologizing that why such players are being ignored. So I think it's a good gesture given by Ali Tareen.
And Laibal, lastly, before we conclude this video, you were sharing a comment with regards to James Vince that he was leaving England red ball cricket to play for the PSL. How do you see that? This is the future, that players don't want to play 4-day cricket and they will go towards playing T20 leagues because it's easy money, less effort, is more commercial aspect.
Okay, please repeat the name of the player.
James Vince, you shared the news yesterday.
Yeah, Akib, James Will is a very visionary player. I think I respect his sentiments that he took off from the 4 days matches from the England just for the sake of joining PSL. It's a proud moment for Pakistan as well, that their PSL has grown up, and their PSL has taken the hype above the sky. So the international player like David
Sikandar has also said I like PSL more.
Yeah,
Yes,
so Akib, that's the reason that more and more players are just joining the platform of this PSL. It's just a beginning, and is just far beyond. So I think the more liability on the side of PCB, that big players from England and Australia are just coming to Pakistan just for the sake of promotion of their cricket, and on the other hand, India will be very jealous just because of this thing. So I think PCB should maintain their standards for this PSL, so that in future more and more players should join this platform of PSL.
Thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we will have you with another video. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe to Sports for more content like this. Till then, it is goodbye from me and Tahir. Take good care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.